Hello everyone, welcome back to Talk's Academic Word of the Week. Today we'll be going over the word straightforward. Straightforward. How many syllables do you think this word has? It looks like this word will have lots of syllables, but actually it only has three. Straightforward. 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 Now, where do you think the stress goes? The stress goes on the second syllable, for. So the word is pronounced straightforward. Straightforward. Great. Now that we have the pronunciation down, let's take a look at the meaning of straightforward. Read the sentences on your screen and try to guess the meaning based on the context. You can pause the video now if you need more time. The meaning of the word straightforward is easy to understand or uncomplicated. Is that what you had? If not, go back and see how the meaning works in the sentences before. Now, let's take a look at the different forms that the word straightforward can take. Read the sentences again and decide if the word is being used as an adjective, an adverb, or a noun. You can pause the video again if you need more time. As you can see from the chart on your screen, the noun form is straightforwardness. The adjective form is straightforward. And the adverb is straightforwardly. You can use the suffixes or endings of the words to help you. For example, NESS is a common noun ending, and LY is a common adverb ending. Okay, now we know the pronunciation, the meaning, and the different parts of speech of the word straightforward. The next thing for you to do is to start practicing. You can use the prompt on your screen. Give 3 examples of something straightforward. You can post your answers on our social media pages, and be sure to tune in next week for our next academic word of the week. Bye everyone.